Alpha Mind Power Online Live Classes by Sri Mata Vijayalakshmi Pandayan. Mobile app Alpha Mind Power.
Aishwaryam is a class I really enjoy because the meditation is very enjoyable, and the concept, it has changed many people's outlook about life, about money, and they started doing so much charity after this class. It's not only about earning money. This class is about spending also. You feel good when you earn money, you should also feel good when you spend. That is what lifts you up. So think about it. So even for that, you need to invite more money into your life. So whatever blocks are there, throw them out. And as an Alpha Siddha, I can tell you very authoritatively that if you have more money, you will do more good things with money. So hold that in your mind. So now can we have your feedback, whoever will speak?
I'm Ravindran from US.
Yes.
Rishi. So it was very good feel. So from crust to toe, the energy, I can sense the energy, it's a going flow and feel very good and much positive feeling sense, positive sense, it's coming inside my blueprints, including the DNA and everything. And as I already told in the chart, I felt a little bit of pain during the affirmation, particularly that Aishwarya meditation in my left arm. So you explained about why it is because of some kind of blockage I felt. So totally, I feel very good. Just I was during the visualization, I was driving a BMW, latest
Good.
BMW, something like that. I feel
Very
that
good.
much
Very
of
good.
very positive and all those things.
Okay. Good. Excellent. Excellent. My blessings. Let it all come true.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am Padmini Raghavan. From Chennai,
Okay.
Vadipakam.
Okay.
I was showered with golden and lavender color.
Excellent. Excellent.
Colors.
Very
It
good.
was so nice, so much blissful. Thank you so much for
Very good,
everything, ma'am.
Okay, I'm so happy you enjoyed it. Wonderful. Excellent. Okay.
Yes, really.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Madam, my name is Karthi.
Yeah.
From Singapore.
Okay.
So I've been introduced to Alpha meditation for the last 1 month. So after these meditations, I find a lot of inspiration and creativity has been come up. And recently with this Aishwarya meditation, surely there is a lot of blocks has been removed, I feel.
Yeah.
I'm marching towards the right path, I feel. Thank you very much.
Very good. Very good. Wonderful. So let me know the feedback after you practice for some time. Definitely. Thank you so much. Yeah.
My name is Sujata Ravi. I'm from Chennai. I've been missing this Aishwarya meditation for quite some time.
Okay.
And today I'm so happy that I was part of this. And it is not like in my case, money is always there, but somehow it was not staying. Now I could make out how to make it stay with me. And, I could definitely march towards prosperity for the whole family. Thank you so much. Thank you with all your blessings.
Blessings, and thank you very much for being there. Yeah.
Namaste, Ma. Just Kumar.
Yes.
Thank you for the course. I really enjoyed it.
Okay.
The main thing is I was able to find my blockages. As someone mentioned, right, money is not a problem for me, but mainly thing is I was not able to hold it right. So right now I was able to find a way.
Good.
And I was able to understand the blockages clearly. I have one very quick question, ma'am.
Yeah.
So the first thing, Agnigunam, which we did it, I know you mentioned that we don't need to do it every day, but I think still I have some more blockages which I want to clear. Still,
you can do it. You can do it once in a way. We will enable it in the mobile app anyway. But what I was saying is there's no need to sit every day and do so much breathing. It may become a little difficult. So once in a way, once a week or once in 2-3 days, you can do initially. After that, it may not be necessary. That's what I was trying to say. But you can keep it once in a way. If you feel you need to get rid of some blocks, you can definitely do it. You're speaking from where?
I'm from Miami, US.
Okay.
So I was a very old student. I attended your class in 2003.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, in Chennai, but I moved here very long back.
Okay.
Thank you very much. And after this lockdowns, basically it's online, right? So it's very,
yes,
I'm
that
very
is
happy
why people like you are able to attend. That is the best
yeah,
part
exactly.
of COVID here. That is true. Very true.
Oh, one request, ma'am. Actually,
Yeah.
after situations are good, still continue this online classes for us. You know,
I have decided that I will not travel anymore for classes. I have done too much of traveling in the last 20
yeah.
years. I'm so tired of traveling. So I am actually really benefiting, whatever I'm doing from my own office. So it's very comfortable. Office and home both are same building. So no traveling. I'm really happy. So
Yeah, and it's very effective as well.
it will
So
continue. Yes. Thank you
thank
very
you
much
very
for
much.
saying that. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Yes.
Amma? Amma?
Yes. Yes.
Namaskaram, Amma.
Namaskaram. So from Canada, right?
Yes, Amma.
Preet and Sej, how are you? So how was
Good,
the
Amma.
meditation? Yeah.
Awesome. Amma, I have been feeling a lot better after Sanjeevni.
Okay.
I am someone who has been very go kind of person, but I do calm down when it's need to. I had lost it last year when depression came. Amma, after Agnikundam Sanjeevni, I have been feeling much better. Like my friends used to tell me, just by talking to me, they used to feel their spirits used to get lifted, and I had lost it last year. Okay. I am feeling the same again. I'm practicing Sanjeevni, Agnikundam, and Srividya and Psychic Energy on different days. Good. And I am feeling better. It's been just 1 month.
I can see it when I see you. I know the energy has changed completely, and I'm really happy. Please continue. Okay, and
I need your blessings.
Definitely, my blessings are always there with you, always there. And Preet?
Yes, Amma. So actually, from last 2-3 weeks, since I think since we did the Srividya, things were coming up, but it was not very clear. Like I didn't want to face them in meditation. In fact, what was happening was, like I said, every time I do your class, every 2 weeks, something builds up. And what happens is that this time it was something that I couldn't even face, what was building up slowly and gradually. So just this meditation, I just had, because I was also calling upon Bhagwan a lot, Ganesh Puri. So I had a vision of him. Of course, there was golden energy first. There was, I could sense Narayan and Lakshmi in that golden energy. But along with it, Bhagwan Nityanand gave darshan, and it was beautiful, and something left, that negativity that I was feeling. And all of a sudden I'm feeling like there is a shift, and it is feeling good now. That golden energy is feeling around, that it is around, that Aishwaryam light that you have.
Okay.
And yes, I will continue to do your meditations.
Yeah, please keep listening, and you will get there. Don't worry. I know you have to come out of this. You will. Yes. Continue.
So grateful for you.
Thank you, Ma.
Okay. Right.
Greetings to you, Guruji.
Yes.
I'm Akshya from Bangalore. I have taught Sanjeevni meditation and psychic energy.
Okay.
And I again have no words to explain how blissful this meditation was. This meditation is amazing. Thank you so much. I have been practicing Sanjeevni, and my health is getting better and better. Hope it is the best at its best very soon. I need your blessings, Guruji.
My blessings. Please get well completely, recover completely, and enjoy Aishwaryam also.
Yes,
okay?
ma'am. Yeah. Yes, thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Vanakkam, Amma. This is Saminathan from Malaysia.
Yes.
So this is my second class with you. Before this, I attended Cell Glow. I'm kind of, I would say, atheist. I don't believe in statue praying.
Okay.
Actually, my wife insisted me to go into CellGlow. And I found that it was, but I believed in meditation. So that's the reason I attended. And it was good. So this I attended again, Aishwaryam, and it was a real eye opener. Because I need to tell you that my wallet is like almost 15 to 20 years. I've not changed, and and it's been torn. And after this, I will change, probably an exclusive ones.
Okay.
And I'll do whatever that you have stated. And probably I could see myself that I'm shifting towards prayers and stuff like that. I'm not against anything, but I am more of a meditation person.
Okay.
But I don't really believe in statue praying.
That's okay. That's okay. See, that is Bhakti Margam and yours is Jnana Margam. So nothing wrong. You follow meditation gives you more satisfaction actually. So that's fine. These mantras, if you do not feel like chanting, it's all right. You can leave them. Just continue with the meditation. That will be better.
Yeah, but I think that I am going through a shift.
Okay.
Maybe. And I feel so blissful attending your meditation, the first one, and also this. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much for being with us. Wonderful. Yeah. So do practice and let me know later on how you feel. I'm sure it will help you a lot, these meditations and the mantras if you can. But wallet, of course, the first priority. You must change, get a new one, right? Okay. Thank you so much for sharing. Okay.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening. Yes.
I'm Bharti Vajravelu from Hyderabad.
Okay.
So I'm a regular follower of Amma Sri Mata.
Oh, thank you so much. God bless you.
Yeah. And we were very much benefited with this Aishwaryam. Even my daughter also was following you. And Lakshya Siddhi helped us a lot. We could achieve our goals manifested through Lakshya Siddhi. And today's meditation, Aishwaryam, at the end of the meditation, everything was like snow white. And then golden shower, ma'am.
Okay.
Really, I was trembling when I could feel that experience. One more doubt I had, ma'am.
Yes.
Can we chant the mantras during office hours?
Office hours, I don't know, because this Lakshmi mantra, when you chant, it will take you into a deep level. It's a very blissful energy. Okay. Lakshmi mantra is very intoxicating. If you chant, you will realize.
Right.
So these 5 mantras, it's better if you give some time either in the evening or morning. Take about 10 minutes or 15 minutes maximum. And you sit and chant, you will also enjoy and the energy will be more.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bless.
Good evening, Guruji.
Yeah, good evening.
And I'm Lakshmi from Chennai.
Yes.
I have attended the Alpha Level 1 in September and second class is this one.
Okay.
It was very helpful. Within 1 week, I was able to see my changes in my home.
Okay.
But one thing is, I was not able to continuously do it. I'm able to think about that. I know that I have to do this, I have to do that for my work, everything, but I was not able to do it. Something is holding back. I feel lazy and then I leave it within one week itself.
Okay.
It's not in one thing, everything. In some, if I want to do some regular exercise, meditation, I want to get up early in the morning, I'll be able to do it for 1 week and then I leave it. I don't know why I'm doing like that. And sometimes when when you ask me to visualize your goal, and in that case I don't have any clear picture, something a blur, a shadow like picture only I'm getting it. I don't know why this is happening.
See, to meditate regularly, there are so many factors which have to help you. One is the energy of the house, energy of the place where you're sitting and meditating. If that energy is very vibrant and high level, then you will easily go into meditation and enjoy, and it will also allow you to meditate every day. If the energy is a bit less or negative, first thing is that you have to check. Then if the energy is less, what happens is, even if you sit down to meditate, it will not allow you to go into that meditative state easily. And sometimes it may not allow you to even sit and meditate. So you have to first think about the energy of the house. And simple things you can do. If you have our energy cleansing music, Otherwise, it is there in the app, in the mobile app. You can play it in the house once or twice, once in the morning, once in the evening. It runs for about half an hour. It will change the energy of the house.
Okay.
So that way, and play some slokas in the morning. Do all that and keep the energy of the house more divine. Do puja every day. At least light a lamp, put some flowers.
Daily I will do it, ma'am. Daily 2 days, 2 times I will be.
You should do, and allow the lamp to burn throughout the day. Morning when you light, it should burn throughout till the night. Before going to bed, you can see that it is put off with flowers and then go to bed.
Okay.
So when it burns, when you light the lamp, you also ask that flame. That is a flame. It is an element of fire. So you ask that fire to burn away any negativities in the house and then light the lamp. Okay. So you start doing it with more consciousness, with more awareness. When you do all this, then the energy of the house changes, and that will help you to sit and meditate. See, our psychic energy class next week we have in Tamil. If you know Tamil, you can attend. This psychic
Tamil
energy,
only, ma'am.
That's what I'm saying. So psychic energy is all about negative energies affecting us. It's only about how we get affected, what are the symptoms, how to understand, and then how to get rid of them in our own way. We don't have to go to somebody. What we can do for ourselves, for our family members. See, in that class, so many things I tell about the energy of a place, about our own energy, how to understand, and I show how to use a pendulum. So then you can at least measure energy and find out. So you must concentrate on that also, because once you make the energy, that is the base. Energy is the base. Once you make the energy of your house positive and vibrant, you will be amazed to see so many things falling into place, including your routine of meditation and yoga and things like that. When the energy is not good, it will not allow you to meditate.
Okay.
So focus on that a little more.
Okay.
Then this will become all right.
Yeah,
and also
usually
program yourself. I am getting up tomorrow and meditating. When you're going to sleep, you program yourself like that. It will
Thank you, Guruji. Thank you, Guruji.
All right. Thank you.
Namaste, madam.
Namaste, ma'am.
Meena from Chennai.
Yes, yes.
Already attended Cell Glow and then Psychic Energy. After attending your classes, I am able to see the changes within me as well as also only positive energy. Negativity has reduced, I am able to observe. This meditation is also very enjoyable, and I am getting more information about money and how to handle it. And how to,
yes, that is very important.
Very enjoyable meditation only. Thank you, thank you very much, Guruji.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Thank you very much for being there. Lovely, right? So I think we will close with that. Thank you, each and every one of you, for being here, for making this possible. And I'm also seeing that online classes are definitely very useful for people staying in so many different places. We are all able to connect today thanks to the technology and thanks to, in a way, the situation that is prevailing everywhere. Sometimes I feel everything has a purpose. And that is the purpose which is happening, which we are seeing now. And thank you very much for being here, for making this possible. And I wish all of you a lot of abundance in life. Abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, vitality, immunity, everything that you need today. And be safe, live a very happy life, and we'll meet again. Thank you very, very much.